Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 23rd of March. Brussels attacks weigh on the market. European leaders pledged to unite against the terrorist threat yesterday after two explosions were reported in Brussels airport and then a subsequent blast in a metro station very close to the EU institutions. The Euro and European equities both tumbled on the news, while demand for the yen spiked as investors may have been concerned over a renewed round of financial volatility. The reaction in the European equities and the yen was reversed by the end of the European trading session, but the common currency remained lower against its major peers. While individual attacks usually do not have a lasting effect on economic trends, following the Paris attacks last November, concerns of similar future events in Europe may have a more prolonged impact on the travel and tourism sectors as we approach the holiday period, as well as on consumer confidence. We believe that a further weakness in the euro and equity markets is possible as a result of this, especially if this fits into the bloc's already soft economic activity. In Canada, the new government unveiled its first federal budget yesterday, aimed at reviving growth through the injection of massive fiscal stimulus in an economy hit by the plunge of oil prices. The government projected a deficit of 29.4 billion Canadian dollars for the first year, more or less in line with expectations of a 30 billion deficit, but surprisingly offered no target date for an eventual return to a balanced budget. We believe that this package diminishes expectations of any further Bank of Canada easing in the near term, as the bank remained on hold at its last two meetings in anticipation of this fiscal boost. Given that the size of the budget was adequate, we see no incentive for policymakers to act anytime soon. As for today's events, from Sweden we get the consumer and manufacturing confidence indices, both for March. Investors may focus primarily on the consumer confidence index, which is expected to rise. This could support the krona, at least at the release. Markets will close early in Norway in celebration of the Wednesday before Easter. From the US, we get new home sales for February, and expectations are for an increase after decreasing in January. Given the sharp fall in January, a modest increase in February appears more than normal to us. After all, the housing sector has held strong in recent months, despite the slowdown in economic growth during the fourth quarter and the global financial volatility at the start of this year. Therefore, a possible rise in new home sales could support the dollar a bit, at least at the release. We have two speakers on the agenda: ECB Governing Council member James Weidmann and Canada's Finance Minister Bill Morneau, who unveiled the government's budget yesterday. Since the minister gave no target date for returning to a balanced budget, investors may look through his comments in order to get more details on the budget plan. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.